Hey everyone, welcome to my channel once again. This place is called the Westfield Marriott Mall, which is one of the biggest shopping destinations in the southern part of Adelaide. So if you're a first timer or you're a tourist and you don't know where to do your shopping, well, Marriott Mall is here for you. You know, they have lots of brand outlets, fashion stores to your local Aussie brands. It's a place where you can find almost everything in one spot. Okay, now they've also got like food courts where they sell burgers, sushis, and anything sweet, just name it. And they've also got cinemas where the families and the kids can enjoy and where the kids can also play. So it's a perfect place for tourists to start their shopping spree. So you may want to check it out anytime you're around here. Yeah. So, picking up from my earlier point, I was fascinated about this mall that I did a little bit of research on it, and I found out that the mall comprises about 342 to 350 stores, making it one of the largest in Adelaide. Just bought some stuff from Baby John's. Here they have all the brands that you're looking for. I bought some cosmetics and some skincare products. So if ever you're in Adelaide visit maybe Jones in Marriott. This place is called the Salisbury Community Hub. Interestingly, most people just call it Salisbury. But if you're looking for it on Google Map, you could just put Salisbury Community Hub Library. It will bring you exactly to this location. And this is the place where you can get your affordable food stuff. And my excitement was just out of this world. I was telling myself, girl, you've been sleeping, you've been slacking, you've been snoozing on this area for such a long time. So if you're around the neighborhood or you're in Adelaide for the first time, please just visit this area for your affordable food stuff. You know, another thing again for me is that I've always heard about this place, but I have not bothered to check it out. I've not bothered to visit here. Maybe because of the area where I'm staying in Adelaide and because of the long drive. But today I'm like, hey, you see, we die here. We buy everything that we need to buy. I had to buy SS. So this place is giving me, I'm in Lagos vibes. I'm in Africa vibes. There you go, my Ghana people. See your clothes? It's giving me traditional vibes. Yeah. Finally, we've come to the end of today's video, and you want to know what the icing on the cake is for me? It's the fact that I was able to buy cheap food stuff way less expensive than what I used to get from where I'm staying. So if you're in South Australia and you want to get your food stuff, that's the right spot for you. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and encourage your girl. And I will see you in my next video.